Hey everyone! Want a warm, gooey treat to make in just minutes? Let's make an easy microwave mug brownie. It's perfect for a cold day and super fun to make. Here's what you'll need: 4 tablespoons flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, a handful of chocolate chips. Mix the flour, sugar, and cocoa powder in a mug. Add the milk and oil, then stir until smooth. Don't forget the chocolate chips for extra gooiness. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. Watch it rise and turn into a delicious brownie. Be careful, it's hot. And there you have it. A microwave mug brownie that's warm, chocolatey, and perfect for a cold day. Quick, easy, and totally satisfying. Don't forget to like, share, and let me know how yours turned out in the comments.